This is the guessing game using the for loop, but I also did at the same time the same guessing game uh, with the infinite loop and using a break. So what happens here is that we create the math random, we declare the integer, we already have the scanner, we outprint to enter any number to take a guess, and then it will repeat 10 times. It will read the number inside the loop, uh, and if the number is higher, we go lower. If it is lower, we go higher. And when the number is equal to the value, then we outprint correct and we break the loop. So I'm gonna run it again. Take a guess. Maybe 4, 5, 7, 8, and we have it correct.